Yeah, thank you. Thank you once again, folks, and welcome back to Island Music, Island Hearts. And we still bring some more Kiho Alo, Hawaiian Seleki. This is a song that I learned from the great late Uncle Fred Punoho, and he told me this song tells a story of how the Hawaiians used to mix poi. All you gotta do is watch the fingers.
Never leaves the hand. Mr. Led Carpana, one of Hawaii's finest.